In this video I will walk you through a detailed comparison between the TP-Link Tapo C545D and traditional single-lens outdoor cameras. The standout feature here is the dual 2K 3MP lens system, which allows you to monitor two separate areas simultaneously. Unlike standard pan-tilt cameras that might miss action behind them, this dual-lens setup minimizes blind spots by pairing a 165-degree wide-angle camera with a 6mm telephoto lens. This contrast is vital for homeowners who need both a broad overview of their yard and a focused, detailed zoom on specific points like a gateway or driveway. When comparing performance, the synchronized smart tracking is a game changer. When the fixed lens detects movement, the pan-tilt lens automatically pivots to follow the subject. You also get a one-tap smart focus feature, letting you select a zone in the wide-angle view to instantly zoom to secondary camera. For those weighing connection stability, the added Ethernet support offers a significant trade-off advantage over Wi-Fi-only competitors, ensuring smooth streaming in areas with poor signal. It even boasts IP66 weather resistance and free AI detection for people, pets, and vehicles, which usually requires a subscription elsewhere. With a massive 512GB micro SD local storage option, this camera wins for users who want high-end features without recurring monthly fees. That wraps up our look at the C545D and how it stacks up against the competition. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comments if you prefer dual lens setups or traditional security cameras for your home.